na tumega me muda pa mana singa binan ni kwa
Ito na kayo na libon ng Gualya Latina. Kapag doon na bunyan ko na bindiro sa Sara. Sa nariwan na iba binito ko. Ni Tito ko tumay na roro binanigwa. Sa namatagaraw. Sana don corona bala kemudi sana ulang dokai tu sana turang ke marang kemudi sana ngone bisa bulan minak teman dia musuh kita sa cikuna namni bulan ini boleh selisih bang matentu kita sa cuma nom don delan soso na bawa di minak ndam sa cikur tu na turang minister Tiusana turang na komisna na dio na payer tu na walis-lisi tu na roko iran do sak na walis-lisi matentu undi bolo tunde butu ko sa kamay na nung do ya lava nung do delen soso sa musik ke mem sa tu na bawa ni bina na bikin da boy ko turang ba bunwa may kinda boy sa tukin na lolako bina sa na binunumi nasa nabi baturang atake na mata termina sa kategori kaya na napakalibulibu atake indo sana tigi bimbi ni batur atake kasi nga ni rawan ninda nakita ka na kabin naka yakau tamay weekend nandun naman da wakay boto-boto tulo ko nalinibunuan na raramay ikaw tamay nabi bakalibulibu atake nadidibag bisnisi ndo makataw tu na libo-libo nandola ni doon na stoa nandoon na tolo ni sala na borau takitu na libo-libo kaya siyang na libo-libo na songo na stoa na rumu batan na singa ya kaya sitiko kaya sa tiko na libo-libo sa naraw ni tosutu na nona biboni na bongilibo Wakatutal nga tu wakatutal tunga na libu-libu na non huli na luweda. Kaya nga na libu-libu sana re songo nga na ibola ni sa luto na karong. Iya kaya kay tipo sana raw buo na nguni huli. May huli leson niya na bugi. Na libu-libu warara matanga na tiko. Iya kaya nga na tiko re na lilimunua kalang katake na bito sa kaya na bugi. Nakene utioti nilibulibu na pakatauta kana nonda saravira nonda toni wala na TV na radio sena veilawa wana internet ngo me bakanga nonda saravana nonda tu na nonda tu nganga may Hamilton na New Zealand na bido na siga sauti ya na pumalibulibu taki mga matanda ka na bunwa inda sa mo julkina and then I think go na rama me darama kana sala ni bingo no binaka me muri ni bosat se me da sala mata ke na butu ka bo buria na nu ngonga ke na bele dek no kre no ni bosot ti volele na buike and then go tutu ba prime minister no sangara ba ne be bo libu ta ke na bi tauni le tiki ko ka do vire sara na be nyan ke re tu lo mani bunua nei tu ni be garam ni maten tu e bori ta kan sa e do be dio sa bu ka no pasende na le ni bunua sa bo li batak sa bo le katana wol sa bu na pasende sa bo li batak na tabani li na li ngore sa tumbu talanga na singa dendai ni sa mai boli taki na korobo turango nabal e ka maro taki te na mai boi tabe na kana wanga de na bala grid extension na be boli taki ngo era kunya era na kunya kina na boi ngo sibe onan raw na le ni bunwa ka titalanga kina na bala catholic school kena tiki tuku ni lotu erua na kana karabe tina taka ngo matana taki kina na tubutuba ka na lewa matau na bondo ndo ni au ni matentu kena taka wangu matua na lomani limana baksau tie bota na matentu rona ndo roso ko wa na $1 million na tampani be bo li batak vit sa bulu na pasente mai na umani labungori ngole na boli batak na tonda ko ni korli lew sa sivia ron rosa bu kalli mana undol na babu wale sa buke no umai labungo ene bota ni amba ke boy labungo sulia tal na matentu ono sa bu na $1 million mera boli batak ne ono ndolo ono rosa bu kotulu na bu wale kau kaca tu kin nandon rosa kalima ena itu tigungo na nungu matentu banga takana ila bulewe onon lima sawu nundul nandola ena motor kita kiongo me motor kiongo kau ni sa fakuai mai na kana somi ena ndona sente kena ikuri be kemuni na matu wale kala ile na nomuni roka mai na tul sawu nundul nandola kita no soma na matentu no soma lima sawu na pasente na nomuni bil ni liwa na bimula ke ado na nomuni ni wa te liwa na dona raw na kilowatt na be awa ke baka ko ni ngandre wa muni umani na vivu gongo na yanga muni wale wena na kana fom mai virtu na energy Fiji limited na bobi na lewu wana lulu na matambosi ni EFL na lulu na matambosi ke kemni na boli selesi ni EFL na kena ngarabi na be bator de kitaki lewu ngo mera bukeki na lewu ibiti na ngon ni dangi lambar ndo bukai tabi na turanga na marama boli selesi ni EFL na kena sangai mesemati na wan liwa kame bus kai lu style na kena didiba kena liwa na ndabunwa ena sangai me boli tak na ribu ni kasinganga na mali olala sa bingara bikina na EFL ena kana sangai me ngai ambaki rono dolu tursa vulkono men sava na takede na renewable energy ya na libuliwa elikina na wai isini ba intaki na wai ena tumbu ni no na mbula wai lawo ena na wasia ba tutu wata na vuana minta kilandi na ni chiko na nungu matentu kau ite kemni ena nungu biluta ke mena nanda mbulu boy lawo tumbu ka da wisau sau na lamani dio na mbaki vitarabi sa oti na ngona ni kana wanga ke na wai na kana bawanga de nanda libuliwa kasanda o bodai kenda na kana garabi na biboli bulu tagi bongo e bande tagi ni raw na kena garabi ka ba di ta kini bulan balabu na kena bin garabi so winaka talanga kana bu sarbo le na non dui bubal nisingin din tayo na ngunguli tayo rin baleta sa na may wanga ino na dina dodon re may matatakin na nung libising ni mataka kaya may kambasi ni bin garabi hindi dawa kuning garaba may kutamay ng bulo sa tu kini tigu binaka no nomuni dui buwali o sa ba kandi ta kami kamuni nunong kumaten tu na tamal tik nga no nomuni bukay amuni kalungata ka bubuin raw o sa kaya sa ting me tu wala ngi na wa Britania na no buwasa mera ronga da sa tigu era na sige matat sa sartigu yo na bira na busa bukay toke. The power of affordable and reliable electricity is undeniable. It ranks among the most critical pillars for the development of any country, anywhere in the world. Fiji is no different, and every Fijian deserves to share in the life-changing benefits that electricity provides. Access to reliable electricity is the difference between a roadside business shutting its doors at sunset or remaining open to provide income for its owner. It is the difference between a student having to close his books for the evening or being able to read and study into the night. It is the difference between a dangerous and unnerving walk in darkness or a safe and well-lit journey home. And very importantly, it's the difference between missing out on our Flying Fijians play or being part of the action over TV, radio, or social media to experience victories such as our dominating performance at the Hamilton Sevens this past week. But seriously, the bottom line is that access to electricity spans the difference between a dark and uncertain tomorrow and a bright, prosperous, and promising future. As Prime Minister, I've had the privilege of overseeing a massive expansion of access to electric power across towns, across communities, and onto some of our most remote maritime and deep rural pockets of Fiji. Our most recent census shows we've expanded access to electricity to 96% of our population, a remarkable achievement. And nearly 80% of our customers are now connected to our national grid. And that number grows today. I'm proud to officially open the Navala grid extension this morning. This extension will directly power the lives of over 600 of our people. The Navala Catholic School, and your 2 churches as well. The completion of this extension is the end result of thoughtful planning, long-term thinking, and a steady flow of investment from my government. Over the past years, we've given funding of over $224 million towards the energy sector. That's an historic amount of funding, and 70 cents of every dollar spent has gone directly to funding rural electrification. Over 25,000 Fijian households have felt the benefits of the development. But we are not resting on our laurels. In our most recent budget, we've set aside an additional $60 million to add another 6,623 households to that number, including the 125 households of your community here. My government has shouldered the entire $650,000 cost of this development, sparing your community from any financial contribution, as we've done away with that old practice for the benefit of our people. On top of that, for families who earn less than $30,000 a year, we'll fund 50% of your monthly electricity bill up to 100 kilowatts hours. To enjoy the benefit, you'll simply need to register with Energy Fiji Limited, our national energy provider. Because it's not enough to simply provide you with access to power. I believe we must provide power you can afford. Speaking of which, I'd like to thank the chairman, the board, management, and staff of VFL for making this project possible and for all their good work expanding and improving our national grid, which has brought reliable electric power to a historic number of Fijians. EFL is on the front lines of empowering our people by empowering our nation. When cyclones have struck our country, EFL linemen and women have put in the countless hours it's taken to get power quick back online in affected communities. And EFL is spearheading one of our most important commitments to securing a sustainable future by lighting the way forward in our nationwide shift to generate 100% of our energy from clean, renewable sources by 2036. There's only one way that such historic funding towards our infrastructure and services is possible, and that is through our growing economy. When our economy grows, the national cake we all share grows with it, and we all get a bigger slice. Under my leadership, our economy has charted a record 9 unbroken years of economic growth, and we are heading toward our 10th straight year in 2019. That means we've headed for even greater prosperity and even greater opportunity for every Fijian. I know that previously, many in your community were relying on diesel generators. I know how stressful that can be. Generators alone cannot shoulder the energy demands of an entire community. They are too unreliable, too unwieldy, and they can end up being very expensive. Being on the grid brings an entirely new level of reliability, affordability, and it brings cleaner power that is much less harmful to our natural environment and the air we breathe. Today, we're taking a great step forward for your community, one that will power the lives of your people for generations, one that will power the lives of your people for generations, bringing a higher standard of living for your people today and new expectations for young people for what the community can achieve. Your future is bright, and I assure you that my government will be there to support your aspirations and dreams for that future with more development, more services, and more opportunity for every family in your community. God bless you all.